Here we go.
Looking for some fun and happening stuff right here in Myrtle Beach? Well, stay tuned because we're on the Intracoastal Waterway and we've got you covered.
Hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and today we're down here at the Watersports Marina in Myrtle Beach. And once again, it's another friend's birthday, and he chose jet skis. Let's go check it out. All right, so the first thing you want to do is check in, and you have to bring your IDs.
So right here at the Myrtle Beach Watersports.
At the Grand Dunes.
At Grand Dunes.
So, in case if you drop your sunglasses out there or forgot them, they have your Oakley sunglasses, which is nice, and some other sunglasses. So the most important thing is don't forget your ID, because you do have to look at little cute Becky. You have to get your picture made with it. So, and you have to sign your permission slips because you no longer have adults with you, unless you bring your mom and dad.
Okay, so I turned in my car keys at the office, and they gave me a little wristband so I can pick them up.
Okay, so if you do come to jet ski, make sure that you bring your sunglasses, definitely your sunglasses. I brought an overshirt just in case if the sun is beaming down on my back, so a little swim shirt, 2 clips, hair clips, because I know my hat will fly off, so I'm about to braid my hair and put it up in little buns, and definitely towels for whenever we get off. She said we may not tip over, but just in case.
All right, so we had to switch to the GoPro.
Probably can't hear it because it's in the case.
No, it's not. This isn't the waterproof. Look at that. We got number 3. We put our stuff in the compartment. And there's some neighbors now. How are y'all?
They're subscribers now.
Oh, how y'all doing?
You have to wear a life jacket.
Which is hot.
There we go. getting in trouble. Let's go.
No. I'm rude.
I'm not taking those, wait.
Look at this house right here. What is
That's
it?
gorgeous. Happy birthday, Mike! And of course, you know you got a drink after that. Cheers to you too. Well, there you have it. That was a look at the Myrtle Beach Watersports. That was absolutely fun. Didn't you have a great time?
Right. So if you're coming down here to Myrtle Beach, make sure you come to this location right up here at the marina on the north end of Myrtle Beach and find Myrtle Beach Watersports.
It's right beside the dunes.
Right, the Intracoastal Waterway.
Yes, and it was very easy and so much fun. So make sure you can also book online, and it's fun for everyone in your family.
And they rotate them out so they have new ones, so you don't get no junk jet ski, Sea-Doo, or whatever. It's brand new every 6 months, I do believe.
And it was pretty scary for my first time, I must say, but it was absolutely fun.
I think our eyes were closed the entire time.
Yeah. Oh, well, they were not this time.
If you found this video helpful, make sure you give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and ring that bell notification to let you know what's going on around the beach.
That's right. And we'll see you in the next video. Keep beaching.
Action.
Not yet. Fix my hair.
Action.
Nope, don't fix my hair.
Looking for some great fun time when you come down here to Myrtle Beach and you want to get on the Intracoastal Waterway? Well, stay tuned because my voice just cracked. Myrtle Beach when you come. Oh God, that's it. Okay, ready?
Action.
Okay. Huh? Is it action?
Action. Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin with the Boones, and today we're down here at the Watersports Marina right here in Myrtle Beach. And I'm stuttering so much. Right. Well, there you have it. That was the Watersports on the water. Wasn't that awesome? Is that the name of it? Wait.
Myrtle Beach Watersports.
All right, there,
okay,
ready?
Okay.
You're gonna have to, well, we'll do it again.